All right, so what's good, everybody? This is like take 3 or 4 right now. The phone keeps falling. My girl is not here again, so it's hard to, manage the whole phone situation. But we gonna get it done once again, like the previous video. She ain't here, but you gotta keep pushing forward. Anyways, let me see something real quick. We'll make this one short and simple and sweet. We got 2 more parts coming in. I think it's 2 more, or should we? Yeah, 2 more. The timing chain and the shifter. I got the shifter from B&M. What shifter did I get? I don't know. I got the cheapest one I could find though. Read the reviews, said it was good. So all right, cool. So right now, we unboxing. The intake. Unbox it, baby. Unbox it, baby. Take it off. Yeah. Pop a bubble. Take it off. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Whoa. Yes. Work it. Work it. Yeah, there we go. Work it. Yes, work it. Yes. But anyways, it's a brand new Trailblazer SS intake. I did not know these intakes was this heavy. This is a big heavy intake. But yeah, this is her. She's beautiful, isn't she? Hold her like a baby. I heard this was the best factory flowing intake. I looked online, everybody said the same thing. Talked to actual people. Shout out to my boy John Martin on Facebook. It's crazy. Still some good people in this world. John Martin inboxed him about everything. He's like, yeah, man, head with that, should be good, this, and that, blase, blase. My boy Manny talked to him. He's the one that's gonna help me assemble the motor and put everything together, so. Whew, some good people in the world. I'm feeling good today, as always. You know, finna head to work. Today is my Monday, so finna head to it. But yeah, this intake look pretty good. I'm glad I got a brand new one. If it don't fit, though, I'ma sell it for a brand new price too, because it wasn't cheap. But I can't wait to do it at the end of this video, or at the end of the whole build. Once the motor's actually in the car, I'll be able to do a video saying, how much I spent in the whole 9 yards. But it should be, put it like this. Drop in the comments what you think I spent on everything. What you think I spent so far with buying the parts and everything. And the closest person to it, I'm gonna send y'all something. Whether it's a gift card, something. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm gonna send y'all something. So whoever close, closest price range, I'm gonna send y'all something. I'm gonna have y'all drop y'all email down, or your PO box, or that's something that I could be able to send y'all something for, like a look, whatever you call it. I wanna have fun too, all over the place. In the car, on the YouTube channel, I wanna have some fun to make it a little bit more exciting. So, yeah, guys, that's the intake. This intake is big, but my car is big, under the hood is big, and I was told it depends on how the motor sits. I got hair in my eye. It's been irritating me all morning, but yeah, this is nice. This is beautiful. Some people on eBay was trying to sell a used intake for like almost 400 bucks. So I'm like, might as well get a brand new one. Why not get a brand new one? So got a brand new intake. And then, like I said in the previous video, I know a lot of people was trying to get me to go with a little bit more expensive parts. But at the beginning of the video, if you guys are new to the channel, the first video I ever posted, I said it was gonna be a budget build. Basically to show people that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get a car rolling and to have fun and sound good. But that next build, I'm going all out. I need every advice that you could think of. This costs this much? Okay, it might take a little longer, way longer, but I want it to be done right. I'm not saying that this car is not gonna be done right, but this car right here, I just wanna have fun, tear the tires up, just do stupid stuff. Not too stupid, but do stupid stuff, if y'all know what I mean. You know, pull up to the car scene, go in a circle, go this way, figure eight this way, and pull off. The next one, you know, you talk to me crazy. Oh, you want to race? That's what you want to do. You sure you want that right there? You sure you want her? Big Bertha, you want her? Let's do that. Let's do that. It's nothing. That's how I want to be. But right now, I can't race nobody. I can't. But that next motor, I'm dragging everybody. I ain't gonna say everybody, but I be in a loop racing. So, I'll stay tuned with you, boy. My bad for popping these bubbles. I'm just excited right now. But yeah, let me know if you guys think I spent around like 2,500, 3,000, 1,500, maybe 1,000. You know, never know. But let me know, y'all, including with the motor and everything, because I feel like the motor's a part of the whole thing. So remember, I spent $750 with the motor, and then with the other parts, gonna add that all up, and whoever get the closest, I'm gonna send you something. Y'all got my word, and I'm a man of my word. So whoever get the closest, let me know. Drop it in the comments. I'm posting on Facebook. If you watch the video, drop it in those comments. Let your boy know. Email me however you feel like you comfortable enough to do it.